Embarking on a career as a PLC programmer is both a challenging and rewarding journey. This profession requires a deep understanding of automation processes, electrical systems, and programming languages specific to PLCs. The path isn't straightforward. It demands a blend of theoretical knowledge and practical experience. To start, you'll need to grasp the basics of electrical circuits and industrial automation. Courses can provide foundational knowledge, but real-world experience is crucial. Begin by seeking entry-level positions in automation companies where you can learn on the job. Remember, the key to success in this field is continuous learning and adaptation to new technologies and processes. And here's why that matters. The automation industry is ever evolving, and staying updated with the latest trends and technologies will set you apart in this competitive field. Understanding the foundational knowledge and skills required to become a proficient PLC programmer is crucial. Begin with the basics of electrical circuits and components. You need to grasp concepts like voltage, current, and resistance. Familiarize yourself with common components such as resistors, capacitors, and inductors. Next, dive into the principles of automation and control systems. Learn about feedback loops, PID controllers, and the difference between open and closed-loop systems. This knowledge forms the bedrock upon which PLC programming is built. Additionally, develop strong problem-solving skills. PLC programming often involves troubleshooting and optimizing processes. The ability to analyze a problem, identify the root cause, and implement an effective solution is invaluable. And here's why that matters. A solid foundation in these areas will not only make you a better PLC programmer but also enhance your overall understanding of industrial automation systems. Understanding the career trajectory in PLC programming is crucial. Initially, you might start as a technician, gaining hands-on experience with electrical systems and basic PLC functions. This role demands proficiency with tools like screwdrivers, testers, and an understanding of electrical principles. As you progress, you'll move into roles like PLC programmer, where you'll design and implement automation solutions. This position requires deep knowledge of PLC languages such as ladder logic, structured text, and function block diagram. Further advancement could lead you to roles like automation engineer, where you'll oversee entire automation projects, from conception to deployment. This role demands not only technical skills but also project management and problem-solving abilities. Remember, each step builds upon the last, so immerse yourself in every opportunity to learn and grow. Understanding salary expectations and market demand for PLC programmers is crucial. Salaries vary based on experience, location, and specific industry demands. Entry-level positions typically start around $50,000 annually, while experienced professionals can earn upwards of $90,000. In regions with high industrial activity, such as the Midwest in the United States, demand is particularly strong. Companies often seek candidates with a blend of technical skills and practical experience. It's not just about knowing PLC programming languages. Understanding the industrial processes they control is equally important. This dual expertise can significantly enhance your market value. Remember, continuous learning and adaptation to new technologies will keep you competitive in this evolving field. Now, let's delve into the advanced skills that will set you apart in the PLC programming field. Beyond the basics, you need to master troubleshooting, real-time system optimization, and cross-platform compatibility. Understanding the nuances of different PLC brands like Siemens, Rockwell, and Mitsubishi will give you an edge. Market trends indicate a growing demand for PLC programmers who can integrate IoT and machine learning into automation systems. This means you should also be familiar with data analytics and cloud computing. The reason this is crucial is that industries are moving towards smart manufacturing, where PLCs are not just controlling machines but also collecting and analyzing data. So, if you aim to be at the forefront, consider these advanced skills as non-negotiable. And here's why that matters. Employers are increasingly looking for candidates who can bridge the gap between traditional PLC programming and modern automation technologies. One of the most common pitfalls in becoming a proficient PLC programmer is underestimating the importance of hands-on experience. Courses and theoretical knowledge are essential, but they must be complemented with real-world applications. Remember, the practical execution of what you've learned is where true mastery is achieved. Another mistake is focusing too narrowly on one PLC brand or programming language. The industry demands versatility. Aim to be proficient in multiple platforms and languages, such as Siemens, Allen Bradley, and Omron, alongside ladder logic, structured text, and function block diagram. Lastly, don't overlook the importance of soft skills like problem solving, communication, and teamwork. These are as crucial as technical skills in the automation industry. To summarize, the path to mastery involves a blend of formal education, practical experience, brand and language versatility, and soft skills development. Commit to continuous learning and adaptation, and you'll not only survive but thrive in this dynamic field.